Apologize with the bad quality of this, as I am recording on my phone until I get my camera sorted, so I do apologize for the bad quality in the videos until my camera is sorted. Thank you. So I'm doing a Glossy box unboxing. So this is January's box. It comes in this nice little pink box with the Glossy box logo on the front, and then inside you get a little information which tells you everything that's in your box and a sneak peek for next month's box. So just like that, and then it comes in this nice little packaging which you just remove the bow like so, and you just peel the sticker off as well. And then this is what you get. So you get 5 items: full size, luxury minis, demo. So this is the first thing I see, which is the Dream Blender by Maybelline. So I'll just open this up and have a feel of the sponge. So it's definitely a lot firmer than the other beauty blenders that I've had in the past, but I do like this little handle that it comes with, so easier to use. And what else do we have in here? So this is the next thing, which is dry shampoo and hydrate. So this is for normal or dry hair. Let's have a smell. Smells quite nice. I may be using that. I don't really use dry shampoo that much, which this one is, what size is this one? This one is a deluxe mini, and the beauty blender was full size. So if I don't use this, I will certainly give it to my sister-in-law. She definitely uses stuff like this. And then the next thing I see is this little black cream, which is an eye and night cream. Face, eye, night cream, sorry. So let's just undo that and have a little feel of the consistency of the cream. For a night cream, you don't want something really heavy, so let's just have a quick feel. Oh, I do like the feel of that. It's very light. So I'll definitely be using that tonight. And then I will get back to you guys next week with a review on it, how I felt and whether it did anything for my skin. So that's that. Which this is for aging, which I haven't really got that. I'm not that aging that really, as I'm only 21. And the next thing in here is this oil, which is for colour protected deep conditioning, which is ideal because I do colour my hair a lot, especially bleached. So I definitely need to put some nourishing oils back into my hair. Shields, replenish coloured treated hair. So I will be giving that a go and giving you guys a review on that. And the last thing in this box is foaming gel. I'm not too sure on that. Let's just open this up here. Oh, when I take the packaging off. Can I take the packaging off? Okay, so let's just take that off there. And let's just have a... I wouldn't say it's very foaming, but I will give it a go and get back to you guys on that one as well. So this was a deluxe mini, which I think is a decent size. So the full size, I would be surprised to see what that is, because I would have thought that was full size. And this is full size as well, so that's not too bad. This is full size. So there was 3 full size products in this and 2 deluxe minis. But they're all decent sizes, so I can't complain there. So yeah, if you like this, then subscribe, like, and I will be doing an unboxing every month of Glossy Box, as it is a monthly subscription. I know there's other people out there that do it, but everybody gets different things. I've noticed watching their videos to what I get in my box isn't always the same, so I will be doing one every month, so you can have a look. For me, it's £10 for the box and £3.25 shipping, which isn't bad. It gives you a chance to try out some new things, some things you wouldn't necessarily try, and possibly you might find some things you like. I know about a year and a half ago I got this beautiful blue detangling brush, and I still have it now. It works amazingly. So there is some things that I have given away just because I don't use them, like eyeliners and fake lashes, but then, you know, you can always give them as a little gift for people. Do up a little box like this and just put all the little bits and pieces that you don't particularly like and give them away. So that's that.